Sodium bicarbonate, sometimes known as baking soda, is a white powdered chemical that is mostly used as a baking component. Additionally, baking soda can be used for a variety of additional purposes. Having said that, if you ever made a volcano erupt in class as a child using baking, you probably did the same now. However, it turns out that baking soda also may offer a number of health advantages. In this video, we are going to talk about 8 shocking benefits of baking soda. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 8. Treat heartburn. Heartburn, which is also generally known as acid reflux, is a painful condition in which a burning feeling rises up from your stomach and possibly all the way up to the throat. Heartburn is also commonly known as acid indigestion. Acid can really travel from the stomach all the way up into the esophagus. This phenomenon can be brought on by a number of factors, including anxiety, overeating, and consuming foods that the body does not necessarily approve of. It may be possible to reduce the amount of stomach acid by dissolving a teaspoon of baking powder in a glass of water and then drinking it slowly, in addition to removing the uncomfortable burning sensation of heartburn. 7. Oral hygiene. Rinsing your mouth with baking soda may be a more comfortable and effective alternative to using traditional mouthwash if the stinging feeling that mouthwash may sometimes give is irritating to you. If the problem persists, try diluting some baking soda in warm water and swishing it about like you typically would. Additionally, due to the granular form of baking soda, it is able to get into the spaces in between your teeth more effectively than other types of toothpaste. In addition, baking soda possesses characteristics that are antibacterial and antimicrobial. These have the potential to assist in the elimination of microorganisms in the mouth that are typically linked to halitosis. In addition, the somewhat abrasive qualities of baking soda can help eliminate plaque buildup and brighten your teeth. 6. Soothe Skin. If you are experiencing itching as a result of insect bites, bee stings, or any other source, consider soaking the affected region in water that has been combined with a couple of cups of baking soda in an effort to minimize the discomfort. This should help relieve the itching. Baking soda has also been shown to help alleviate the itching and discomfort that come along with sunburns, especially when mixed with additional components, like cornstarch and oatmeal, for example. In addition, some people find that applying a paste made of baking soda and water to their calluses helps ease the pain and suffering caused by the calluses. This is due to the fact that it causes the part of the callus that is rough and scaly to become softer. 5. Exercise better. Baking soda is used by certain athletes as a natural supplement, and they include its consumption as part of their regular exercise program. According to a number of studies, the use of sodium bicarbonate is one of the most effective ways to maintain peak performance for longer periods of time during physical activity, especially when it comes to anaerobic activities that are performed at a high intensity. This is due to the fact that baking soda has a high pH level, which neutralizes the lactic acid that is produced by the body. In addition, maintaining a healthy pH in the body enables one to exercise for longer without experiencing an increase in fatigue. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the number 1 spot. 4. Health kidneys. Baking soda has been linked in several studies to potential health benefits, including the potential ability to delay the progression of chronic kidney disease. According to the findings of one study, persons who were already suffering from the chronic renal disease had a 36% reduction in their risk of kidney failure when they took baking soda-based supplements on a consistent basis. 3. Relieve arthritis pain. According to the findings of some recent studies, baking soda has the potential to be an effective treatment for rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a form of arthritis that is caused by an autoimmune illness that attacks the joints of the body. As a consequence, the affected joint may experience discomfort, stiffness, swelling, and, in extreme circumstances, a complete loss of its capacity to perform its normal functions. Drinking water that had baking soda added to it may treat RA by lowering the inflammation that occurs in the joints. This can be accomplished by enhancing the body's natural anti-inflammatory response while simultaneously lowering the impact of its autoimmune reaction. 2. Fight back against cancer. Baking soda has shown promise as an adjunct treatment for patients undergoing chemotherapy for some forms of cancer. According to the findings of certain studies, it may be possible for it to improve the effectiveness of chemotherapy in treating patients by making the environment in which tumors grow less acidic. This, in turn, makes it possible for chemotherapy drugs to be more successful in their ability to halt the growth of cancer cells. Despite this, the research is still in its early phases, and the testing that has been done so far has primarily been focused on animal and cell studies. Before the real usefulness of this idea can be proved, an additional study that focuses on humans is necessary. 1. Migraine pain relief. Try drinking a glass of water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda stirred into it to alleviate the pain of a migraine, as well as nausea that can sometimes accompany a migraine. Alternatively, if you would rather attempt a topical method, a soak in a bathtub that has been infused with baking soda may bring relief. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.